Look at the biggest creators on YouTube. Most of them have teams of 10, 20, even 50 people. Editors, researchers, scriptwriters, and designers. It feels impossible to compete, right? You're just one person with a laptop and a dream. But what if I told you that the game has changed? What if I told you that today, a single person with the right AI tools can outproduce a 2-0-person agency? The team you think you need is already sitting inside your computer. And today, I'm going to show you how to unlock it. Welcome to Social Growth Blueprint. For years, the barrier to going viral was resources. You needed money, equipment, and people. But AI has officially leveled the playing field. In this video, we aren't just talking about shortcuts, we're talking about a total revolution in how content is made. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to build a viral media empire from your bedroom, why your lack of a team is actually your greatest advantage, and the specific AI workflow that turns a one-month project into a one-day task. Let's get started. We've been told that to be professional, you need a professional crew. We see the polished edits and the perfectly scripted videos of the top 1%, and we think, I can't do that alone. This is the production wall, and it stops 99% of creators before they even start. But here is the truth. Viewers don't care about your budget. They care about the value and the story. AI has dismantled this wall. You don't need a researcher when you have LLMs that can scan the internet in seconds. You don't need a graphic designer when you have generative AI that understands aesthetics better than most humans. The professional look is now a few clicks away. The only thing you truly need is the vision to steer the tools. Think of AI not as software, but as your invisible employees. Let's look at the roles you used to have to hire for. First, your head of research. Instead of spending 10 hours scrolling through forums, tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity can synthesize trends and data instantly. Second, your scriptwriter. AI can help you structure your thoughts, find better hooks, and ensure your pacing is perfect. Third, your production house. With 11 labs, you have access to world-class voice talent without ever picking up a microphone. With Canva and stock libraries, you have a multi-million-dollar film archive at your fingertips. You aren't just a creator anymore. You are the director of a digital workforce. Every tool we discuss on this channel is a new hire for your team, and they work for free, 24/7. Why is being solo actually better? Speed. Large teams are slow. They have meetings, revisions, and approval chains. By the time a big agency reacts to a trend, the trend is over. When you use AI, you are the only decision maker. You can see a trend at 9 a.m., script it with AI by 9:30, generate the visuals and voiceover by 11, and have a viral-ready video uploaded before lunch. In the modern social media landscape, speed is the ultimate currency. The algorithm doesn't reward the person with the most employees. It rewards the person who hits upload while the topic is still hot. Your lack of a team is why you can move faster, experiment more, and ultimately win. Let's break down the actual workflow you're going to use. Step 1. Use AI to identify high-traffic keywords and pain points. Step 2. Generate a structured script that focuses on a strong hook because the first 5 seconds are where the battle is won. Step 3. Leverage high-quality AI voices to give your channel a professional, consistent face even if you never show your own. Step 4. Use intelligent editing tools to sync your visuals to your audio automatically. This isn't about working harder. It's about building a system. Once you have this blueprint, you can scale. You can run 2, 3, or 5 channels simultaneously because the AI is doing the heavy lifting. You are the architect, not the construction worker. The era of the solo creator is just beginning. If you've been waiting for a team or a budget to start your journey, the wait is over. The tools are here, the opportunity is massive, and the only thing missing is you taking the first step. I want to hear from you in the comments. What is the number one thing that has been stopping you from starting your channel? Is it the editing, the voice, the ideas? Let me know, and let's solve it together. If you found this motivational, hit that like button and subscribe to the Social Growth Blueprint. We are going to be breaking down every tool and every strategy you need to build your empire alone. Remember, you don't need a team to be great. You just need to start. In our next video, we're going to dive into the top 5 AI tools to automate your Instagram growth. So make sure your notifications are on. I'll see you in the next one.